Welcome once again to Trans Styles and Beauty channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I use onion juice combined with rice water to grow my hair. Stay tuned.
Start off by getting one bulb of onions, cut into half, and then remove the head and the back and wash with clean water. Then you chop it into little pieces to be easier to blend. Then you pour the chopped pieces into the blender, and you can add water to make it easier to blend. Just little amount of water. Then you can also use like a knife or spoon to kind of stir it. Then just keep blending till you have a smooth paste, and that is it. Mind the smell. Get a strainer, pour the smooth paste inside to strain off the juice of the onions. Then you can use one to kind of press it, but be careful, don't press it too much that it passes through the strainer. You just need the juice and not the pulp. Then you can add about 10 drops of lemon oil to get rid of that unpleasant smell or pungent smell of the onions. Then section off your hair and use the cotton bulb to apply the onion juice to your scalp. This method didn't really work for me, so I went ahead to mix it with rice water. As you can see there, I just have fermented rice water here, and I just pour the onion juice into my spray bottle to spray it onto my hair. So I'm going to use it as a pre-poo for this wash day. So just spray the mixture on your scalp and throughout the length of your hair from root to tip, completely saturating it with the combo. Then use olive oil to seal, or any type of carrier oil to seal in the moisture. Then you can comb the hair if it's tangled, but I prefer combing it while it's dry before you add the mixture. Then you massage your scalp to kind of get your scalp stimulated. Yeah, the smell really affected my eyes. When I was done, I still went ahead to gently massage my hair. Then I was going to leave this treatment for an hour as my pre-poo. So this is kind of using my body heat to heat up the whole treatment. I use this to wash my hair to get rid of pungent smell. In another video, I will cover how to get rid of the pungent smell of onions. So I went ahead to clarify my hair and de-seam my hair, and this is the result from before I washed my hair. So I went ahead to wash my hair and still see it. The mixture made my hair to be soft, so I like that, and I got rid of part of the pungent smell.
I hope you found that that method very easy to do, and if you try it, please let me know in the comment section below your experience and how everything went, and if you grew your hair, and if you're going to use it for the next 7 days or throughout this month. Do let me know of your experience and your results in comment section below. Don't forget to follow us on don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on our social media pages, Facebook and Instagram. See you in my next video. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.